In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook ads to Mailerlite. We're going to set up a simple automation that sends every new Facebook lead straight into your Mailerlite audience, saving you time and keeping your list organized. We'll do this inside Zapier, which lets different apps talk to each other without code. By the end, your leads will flow from your Facebook form into the Mailerlite group you choose, with the right fields mapped. Start by opening Zapier and heading to the home page. From there, click Create, then choose Zaps to begin building a new workflow. A zap is Zapier's term for an automated process made of a trigger and an action. The trigger is what starts the automation, and the action is what you want to happen next. Let's set the trigger first. Click Trigger, then search for Facebook and select Facebook Lead Ads. When Zapier asks for a trigger event, choose the option that fires whenever a new lead is submitted from your Facebook form. This ensures your automation runs the moment someone completes your ads lead form. Next, connect your Facebook account. Log in when prompted, approve the requested permissions, and then select the specific Facebook page that's running your lead ad, followed by the exact lead form tied to that ad. Make sure you have the right permissions for that page and that the form you pick is the one currently collecting responses. If you manage multiple pages or forms, double-check you've chosen the correct pair to avoid sending the wrong data downstream. Now move on to the action. Click Action and choose Mailerlite as the app. For the action event, pick whether you want to add subscriber or update subscriber. Add. Subscriber is great for putting brand new leads into your list. Update subscriber is useful if you already have contacts in Mailerlite and want to refresh their info when they submit again, preventing duplicates and keeping profiles current. Sign into your Mailerlite account when Zapier prompts you, then click Continue to set up the fields. Map your Facebook lead ads fields to Mailerlite. Connect email to email, map full name to name, and map phone to a phone or custom field you use for phone numbers. Finally, choose the Mailerlite group that should receive these contacts. Something like Facebook leads, webinar leads, or free ebook subscribers works well. All leads from your Facebook form will automatically land in that group for easy segmentation and follow-up. That's it. Your Facebook lead ads trigger and Mailerlite action are configured, and your workflow is ready to keep your list up to date automatically.